I had a contracture maybe by being sat during surgery, and I feel much more comfortable.
We have started to use CORDUS and SACRUS, and truth is that since the first day we've seen changes in our patients, in their symmetry and their posture. We keep using it because we've liked the results we've had.
It has very efficient results in treatments for patients with spine problems, and patients with biomechanical problems in legs.
It looks very simple, but it truly is very effective. It takes away the pains, tension, and I also want to use it with my patients because I think it will be very helpful. I feel very relaxed and comfortable. I also loved the fact that it can be placed on the head and you can feel your body completely aligned.
In patients with herniated discs in their lower back, I have seen a significant progress.
I've been trying it on many people and on myself. It's super effective on certain back pains and also on neck pains.
It's very good in eliminating sciatic pains, it's very easy to use and it heals the pain. Very helpful.
I used it on cervical and lumbar and I noticed that it worked a lot in that zone as well as the sacrum.
It helps a lot in common lumbalgias. In muscular and ligaments, aches can be very effective, and I personally use it a lot.
My experience with CORDUS has been satisfactory. With a physiological lumbar lordosis.
I have used CORDUS on some of my students and patients. And it gives excellent results for people that have had back injuries.
It helped me a lot to free the contracture.
For myself and with patients, obtaining very good results when you want to use a treatment that's not surgical, in diseases such as in herniated discs or chronic lumbar pains.
I think it's phenomenal. I felt it very comfortable. I will use it in my therapies. I really like the stretching feeling. I felt very relaxed in the lumbar area. I think it's a really good complement for the other device.
CORDUS has helped me with my back. I use it every third day for 15 minutes. The pain has reduced, and this has been during 10 months of use.
I recommend the use of this device to other colleagues that work in cervical or spinal muscle rehabilitation.
The athletes I treat have had really good results with therapies where I've used CORDUS. I've had a significant progress in waiting times for lumbar problems.
We've used it during many classes. And on me, particularly, it worked on a contracture I had at cervical level.
With this device I was able to work the deep muscles of the back. I have very good results with patients and with myself.
I feel very good. There is a change in my back, and I would even say in my posture.
I used it on myself, and I personally find it very useful in back zone injuries or to help athletes to deeply relax that zone.
I've used it on myself and on patients. A man who had had spine surgery came to my practice. I applied it to him and now he's using it and has left the cane. He doesn't have pain anymore, and that is truly impressive. It's not about eliminating the pains, but eliminating the cause of pains.
I have around 2 years using CORDUS as well as SACRUS on my patients. And I've been able to see truly good results in cervical pains as well as in postural problems, and in the typical lumbalgia pain or even in chronic back pain. It's a tool that I much recommend using.
Although I am a yoga teacher and I know what to work, I recommend this device because it goes straight to the spot.
Since the first time I used it, I felt how it worked in my back. The tension and pain that I had been suffering reduced a lot.
It's very effective. I feel good.
In less than a month it completely released the tension that I had due to my shoulder injury towards the neck and back.
Many problems that I have, especially scoliosis, have improved a lot. I feel more relaxed and the muscular contracture has reduced.
In patients with spine deviations, CORDUS helps them to recover much faster.
I recommend it.
I had a lumbar sciatic pain and I was surprised because it totally relaxed me. By using it frequently I will have good progress, and so will my patients.
I was able to see the changes since the first application. I use it at least 2 times a week. And the pain hasn't come back.
It does a good job, aligning and separating each vertebra of my body.
It works a lot, it relaxes a lot.
I just tried the device. And the first impression that I have is that it's good. I feel much better.
I liked a lot the way it works. It relaxes a lot and it reaches a very deep level. And it does not move.
These 2 devices have been really fantastic. I was able to relax very well.
I find the method very interesting. It helps to relax the back muscles. I felt the spinal muscle relaxation effect.
We are implementing this new system, this new technology, with our patients, and we recommend it to the general public.
My pains relieved, I feel very good. I feel relaxed and calm. It's a very good treatment, and I will apply it with my patients.
I fell off a helicopter and I was injured in my 6th lumbar vertebra, and right now I am amazed. Nothing hurts. This device is fantastic and I recommend it because it activates the sensorial nerves off the entire spine. And it reactivates the 33 vertebrae all the way to the coccyx.
I have tried this product during the last month because of a series of injuries on my spine, and it has worked wonderfully for me.
I have lumbar problems and with the device I felt really good, and I'm having good improvement.
This device worked really well for me.
I can see that it works. It eliminates pain. And it'll help me a lot.
I did have a bit of progress and I hope to get better results.
After the sessions, I can feel a flow of energy through my entire spine. Freshness. The pains I was having disappeared.
I felt improvement after the session. On my neck and at lumbar level.
It will make a very good progress in life quality of my patients. I congratulate this technology, so simple and so humane at the same time.
It seemed to me this is a very good device. And I will add it to the therapies.
It's highly recommended. It relaxed my back a lot. I had a lumbalgia problem, and I ended up satisfied and without pain.
I feel more relaxed. The pain on my neck has reduced, and so did the pain on my sciatic nerve. I believe this will help me and my patients to heal all the problems we have.
My sciatic nerve and my piriformis muscle are more relaxed.
I got here with a lot of pain on my left leg and on my right hand. After the therapy I'm much better and I'm quite relaxed.
I highly recommend it as an auto therapy.
It was excellent. Because it erased my cervical and lumbar pain.
It was very adequate for me. It works. Because it opens the vertebrae spaces.
I felt all my muscles quite relaxed. This helps to have an effective therapy.
It opens the back a lot, by separating the vertebrae. And causing by that the flow of energy.
The pain in my knee was gone. I recommend this. They are excellent devices.
I was amazed by the results that the use of this device gives. I highly recommend it.
I had a pain on my knee. And it was gone almost instantly.
It really works. It's very practical, the muscles stretch very well and they no longer have contractures.
I loved the therapy.
From the moment I started to use it, it helped me to free a contracture that I had on the left trapezius muscle.
I think it's an excellent device.
I tried it, and it worked on my lumbar part as well as abdominal and on the intercostal zone. It's a device that works.
CORDUS and SACRUS are excellent tools for everyday use.
It helps give a deep massage because the body's weight is the ideal weight that a massage should have. And this works with each body's weight. It perfectly works in lumbar, dorsal and cervical vertebrae, making pressure on the postural muscles and even reaching nerve terminals.
I had a problem in my throat, I couldn't even speak, and the pain reduced a lot. It also helped a lot with a spasm that I had.
I have tried the benefits of this device. And I can see it works by interrupting the pain cycle.
I think this is a sensational thing. Because right now it helped me with a problem on my back.
It's something so simple but it really gave me good results.
The pain in my ear is gone, as well as the pain on my back.
It's a very nice and enjoyable way to open your spine and rest.
After the treatment I feel the relaxation. And I feel a 70% less pain.
The parts that this touches on the spine, any chiropractor is able to get there or cause any pressure. And you immediately feel how the spine starts to align.
I have used CORDUS and it has worked a lot. Not only for me, but for many people. It helps a lot with contractures and pains.
I tried the device and I really felt a lot of improvement.
I liked it. The way I felt. The acupressure it made. It helped me relax my back.
I started using CORDUS on myself. I had very good results and now I'm using it in my practice.
After the treatment, the pain reduced 40 to 50%.
It's very comfortable. And it eliminated immediately a pain I had in the lumbar zone.
Well, just now Cordus helped me a lot with my pains. I feel very relaxed and happy with both devices.
After the therapy, I felt my posture improved a lot.
I liked it very much. I felt very good, and it reduced the pain that I've had for 3 days.
I had some pains on the sciatic nerve and my right arm, and I felt an incredible improvement. It relieved the pain.
It's a good alternative way to help us give patients a progress, and give them orientation for their spine recovery.
I had a very significant improvement.
This goes straight to the point. I highly recommend it.
I feel more relieved, more relaxed. It does work.
I had a very strong pain, from the coccyx to the knee. I relaxed a lot. After the therapy I felt very good.
I used it on my spine and you can feel the relaxation and the work it does on paravertebral muscles.
I have scoliosis and lordosis. I received the therapy. I could rest a lot. It can work very well the spine problems.
It relaxes the spine a lot. The pressure that starts to come up relaxes the body, and it gives the muscles a total rest. Very practical.
This little device is definitely effective. It got my dorsal and cervical zones relaxed.
It helped with my headache in a few minutes.
I felt my back very relaxed.
CORDUS is a very good device for relaxing the back and to align it. SACRUS is very interesting. It can help us therapists to help other people.
It's a wonderful device. I recommend it for everyone. And I want it for myself and for my patients.
I leave very relaxed. I feel very good. I recommend it.
I feel very, very relaxed.
It touches very deep nerves that the hand is not able to reach. It will be an extraordinary tool for me in my work of chiropractic.
I feel good. My spine feels relaxed. I think it's good.
It gives excellent results. The difference is remarkable since the first therapy.
We have seen that the body completely relaxes.
It also helps in rehabilitation and relief of patients.
I have proved that this device works at cervical, lumbar and dorsal level, in points where fingers cannot reach.
I had a pain at lumbar level, and when I used the CORDUS device, the pain disappeared.
I had a lumbar problem and now it has improved. There is no longer pain.
The devices are quite effective for spine pains, particularly the sciatic nerve and herniated discs.
I feel good, I got relaxed, I want to use it to help people.
I felt my spine more aligned.
My sciatica problem reduced significantly. I liked it a lot and I recommend it.
I've been using these products lately, and I highly recommend them.
I got here with pain in my lumbar zone and I got good results. I feel very relaxed.
Right after I tried the therapy I felt relaxed.